Do you need help practicing and listening to English for your citizenship exam? Are you worried that you won't remember the answers? Well, worry no more. I'm that immigration guy, and in this video, I'm going to help you learn and practice the fourth set of 10 questions on the exam, questions 31 through 40. Please watch my other videos where I help you practice the other 90 questions, broken down into 10-question videos. Welcome to my channel. I'm Brent Newcomb. If you're new here, I'm that immigration guy, an attorney focusing solely in immigration law for almost 20 years. This video is unique. It is a learning tool to help you study for the exam. As I explained in another of my videos on how to prepare for the citizenship exam, there is a free resource book from the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service called Learn About the United States Quick Civics Lessons. You will be given this book when you go in for your biometric appointment. I will be using this book as a guide for you. I'll tackle 10 question blocks in each video. I suggest listening several times to these videos and practicing along with me. I will read the question, then the answer with a little additional information. After I've gone through all 10, I will repeat just the questions and answers one more time. Finally, I will repeat just the questions with a pause where you can answer yourself. Watch this video several times and you will pass that citizenship exam. Are you ready? Well, let's begin. Part 1. To begin with, let's go through questions 31 through 40 and the answers, and I'll give a few tips with each question that may help you remember the answers. Question 31. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president? Answer: the Speaker of the House. This event occurs if both the president and vice president are incapacitated. The procedure for succession was passed in 1967 in the 25th Amendment. Just remember, the Speaker of the House is third in line. Question 32. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military? Answer: the President. The Founding Fathers wanted a system in which the people ruled themselves, not a military dictatorship. Because the President was a civilian selected by the people, they felt that the President should be Chief Military Officer. There are limits on the President's power, but just remember, the President is the Commander-in-Chief of the Army. Question 33. Who signs bills to become laws? Answer: the President. We've talked about the separation of powers before in another video. This is one example. Congress makes the laws and sends them to the President to pass them by signing. There are options in case the President does not sign a bill into law or vetoes it. Congress can override this veto. Also, if the President does not sign the law or veto it, it becomes law after 10 days. Question 34. Who vetoes bills? Answer: the President. This question continues on the one previously. If a president chooses, he can veto a bill passed by Congress, and it will not become a law unless Congress overrides his veto. The president has a lot of power, but it's not unlimited. Question 35. What does the president's cabinet do? Answer: advises the president. The Constitution provides that the leaders of the executive department should advise the president. These people are called secretaries, and they make up the cabinet. The Senate must also confirm those nominated by the president. But in short, the cabinet advises the president in almost all matters. Question 36. What are two cabinet-level positions? Answer: there are 15 listed in the book. I believe that Secretary of State and Secretary of Labor are the easiest to remember. You should only answer 2 out of these, so just remember those 2. The Secretary of State, Secretary of Labor. You'll do fine on the test. Question 37. What does the judicial branch do? Answer. It reviews laws, explains laws, resolves disputes, or decides if a law is unconstitutional. I would know all 4 parts of this question just to get this right. It might take some memorization. Again, the judicial branch reviews laws, explains laws, resolves disputes, or decides if a law is unconstitutional. Question 38. What is the highest court in the United States? Answer. The Supreme Court. This is an easy question. The Supreme Court has complete authority over all federal courts. Generally, the court has judicial review, which means that a court has the power to determine if certain laws are in violation of the Constitution. The Supreme Court is a very influential institution. Question 39. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? Answer. 9. This is an easy question. Just remember 9. It hasn't always been 9. There has been as many as 10 and as few as 6. The President nominates the judges and the Senate confirms the nominations. But for the test, know that there are 9. Question 40. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? Answer. You're going to have to look this one up as well on the Supreme Court website. I am hesitant to tell the name, and it is possible that the current chief could retire or become incapacitated, and this video would go out of date. But I will put a link below with the website. How is that? Not too bad, I hope. Now we'll get into a little more practice. Part 2. I will now read the question slowly, I will pause, and then I will read the answer. Try to answer yourself during the pause. Ready? Okay. Question 31. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president? Answer. The Speaker of the House. Question 32. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military? Answer. The president. Question 33. Who signs bills to become laws? Answer. The president. Question 34. Who vetoes bills? Answer. The president. Question 35. What does the president's cabinet do? Answer. Advises the president. Question 36. What are 2 cabinet-level positions? Answer. Secretary of State and Secretary of Labor. Question 37. What does the judicial branch do? Answer. Reviews laws. Question 38. What is the highest court in the United States? Answer. The Supreme Court. Question 39. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? Answer. 9. Question 40. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? We're now at the final part of the prep. I'm going to ask you just the question and then pause. Use the pause to answer yourself. Ready? Question 31. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president? Question 32. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military? Question 33. Who signs bills to become laws? Question 34. Who vetoes bills? Question 35. What does the president's cabinet do? Question 36. What are 2 cabinet-level positions? Question 37. What does the judicial branch do? Question 38. What is the highest court in the United States? Question 39. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? Question 40. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? That's it. How did you do? If you've mastered these, please write the word done in the comments below. I would love to know how many people this has helped. One final thing. I do want you to remember that I'm not giving you any specific legal advice about your case with this video. Every single case is different. This is an informative video. For advice on your particular situation, seek help from a qualified and an experienced immigration attorney such as me, that immigration guy. If you like this video, hit like below and please subscribe. I'll be putting out regular content every few days. Share the video. If you need immigration advice, please contact my office. I'll be more than happy to help you. And remember, that immigration guy for your future immigration legal needs.